Hey yo, Makai told me to freestyle to this beat while I'm on the toilet. So here I go. Yo, to be honest, before I would get into this shit, I don't even know how to rap to this beat, so I guess I'm just figuring it out. Obviously. Yeah, I whip it, this shit is ridiculous. Fuck that shit, I already said that shit. I'm a misfit, aching bitches like Dennis Smith. It's scripted, yeah bitch, that's me. I leave you all bloody, liquid crimson, living across the kitchen floor. Bitch, I got no horrors, but bitch, I'm pivoted like Gage. I'm getting fat as fuck with age. I'm stuck in the argument page, kissing the faces, the bitches, decision. I don't know what the fuck to do with this. But bitch, I'm least I'm not there, yes, I'm not snitching to the fucking popo. I got no fucking homos. A good thing I don't, cause I'm not a homo. Bitch, I don't know how to fucking freestyle. In the meanwhile, I'm just gonna talk about Makai because he's a fucking faggot. Because I had to get the bag in this magic house. Yo, good thing I'm recording because I looked at that shit and it scared me, to be honest. I'm being, yo, I have to buck the bit. I don't know what the fuck they say, but I have to buck the cake. Say what's up to Kendra. What's up? Let's take it back to 7th grade and 8th grade when I had Chloe. Had to be only in my zone. I thought 20 was supposed to be my best friend, that he fucking fucked my girlfriend Cole at the time. Which honestly, I didn't really give a fuck. Now put it back to math. But I asked a damsel with the fat ass, write it down my address with a pencil. What the fuck am I writing down mine? Because I'm a little bitch and she's the dominant one. Okay, but now I'm mad again. I'm plastic, a mannequin. I'm a fan of a ogula boogala. I shoot you in the ass of the ugula, bust the dick. Bitch, I'm like Schmidt. You like Janko, from 21 Jump Street. I don't come from down under. I come from down under.